Mecor computer desk study writing table for home office. Modern writing desk with bookshelf, PC laptop study table workstation for home. Walnut brown. 1. Spacious work area. This computer desk offers wider space to fit your laptop with keyboard push and pull function. 2. Storage shelves. 2-tier shelves to storage or decorate your desk, providing a plenty of room for under-desk storage and organization. 3. Durable and stable construction. This bookshelf waterproof and anti-scratch. Strong metal frame to ensure the maximum durability and stability. It features a powder-coated finish which is rust-free. 4. Adjustable leg pads and free CPU stand. The adjustable leg pads can be used in the uneven ground and can prevent scratches floor, strengthen the stability. You can move your CPU in wherever with the CPU stand. 5. Easy assemble. Assembly and disassemble is a breeze, and all tools and instructions needed are included. No need of electric drill to assemble this computer table. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.